Today, we are going to train your English voice with the verb have or has or have or has got. We use have, has, have got or has got to say someone owns something, talk about relationships, talk about what we look like, or talk about sickness. Please note the word got may or may not be used. It will not change the meaning of the sentences or the tense. So let's have a look here. Have is used for I, you, we, or they, and has is used for he, she, or it. So let's have a look. When we want to say someone owns something, we can say, I have a new phone. He has a new phone. We can also say, I have got a new phone. He has got a new phone. That word got doesn't change the meaning or the tense of that sentence. Next, to talk about relationships. I have a brother. She has a sister. Or, I have got a sister. She has got a brother. Once again, that word got does not change the meaning or the tense. Both ways of saying it are correct. We can use it to talk about what we look like. I have brown eyes. She has black hair. I have got a big nose, or she has got blue eyes. Both ways of saying those sentences are correct. Got does not change the meaning or tense. We can use it to talk about sickness. I have a cold. He has a headache. I have got an earache. She has got the flu. Both ways are correct. The word got does not change the meaning or the tense. We can use the contracted form of have and has. If the subject is he, she, or it, we can have the subject plus has or the subject plus has got. We contract this by taking the subject and adding apostrophe s. For example, he's got, she's got, it's got. If the subject is they, we, or you, we add have or have got. So we combine the subject with apostrophe VE. For example, they've got, we've got, or you've got. Let's have a look at the examples. Sentence 1. I've got a new phone. So the word I've is a contracted form of I plus have. Sentence 2. He's got a headache. He's is the contracted form of he plus has. 3. You've got an earache. 4. She's got the flu. excellent job with these verbs. Well done. Goodbye.